To share her thoughts on Sir Aram. A round of applause, please. To our honored guests, to the family and friends of our retiree, to Nanay Joanne, Sir Aram, and to all the GPNS NHS family present here in this celebration, good afternoon. First and foremost, congratulations on your retirement, Sir Aram. The 3 long years of terminal leave are finally over, and your office table, your chair, and stand fan are now officially open for bidding. Working with you in the office has truly been a blessing. Knowing that you and Mama were elementary classmates made me feel more comfortable during my early days in GPNHS. You guided me like a father at work, calm and patient, even during the most overloaded month-end and audit seasons. You were my emergency driver, always going to land Alabel with Gingging nga magupod jud sa van sa kakusog nga dagan. Those moments still make me smile ug dala pud panguros. You kept our energy up and our hearts full by sharing merienda and coffee, even if kami ra imong paimnon kay maglain man imong lasa kape. These are memories I will always treasure. From being my dependable partner in the accounting office to becoming our official ninong at our wedding, you truly went from work partner to family. In the best way possible, there was really no escaping for us anymore. And for that, I am deeply grateful to you and to Nanay Joanne. Thank you for always including us in your prayers. It truly means so much to our family. After so many years of balancing the books and making sure every debit and credit matched, it is finally time to balance something else. Rest, joy, and unlimited relaxation with your family. Enjoy your well-earned promotion to professional relaxation. And remember our Tatay Aram, retirement doesn't mean you're off duty. You're just on a permanent coffee break with us. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, Ma'am Sheen, for the heartfelt message. So touching. And so
the show must go on. Let's keep the energy rising with the grade 9 and 10 teachers. A round of applause, please. Kanina may pakanta, ngayon may patambling na po tayo.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are from grade 9 and 10 family from Jeepney HS. Good afternoon, Sir Aram. Happy retirement. We are rendering a song entitled Glowing Inside.
You make us know we feel so good, it's true. So glad that we have you. You have us know. Now all is right. We always thank you for the love and thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you gave to us. We're glowing inside with your love shining through. Thank you for everything you do. We're glowing inside because of you. Remember our glowing needs. They feel the joy because you're there for us. You ease our fears away. You wipe our tears. You gave us strength each day. We thank you for the love and thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you gave to us. We're glowing inside with your love shining through. Thank you for everything you do. We're glowing inside because of you. Who knows what tomorrow brings? Our glowing wings could make us fly. We're rich and we will touch the sky because of you. It's up high, so we must thank you for the love and thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you gave to us. We're glowing inside with your love shining through. Thank you for everything you do. We're glowing inside because of you.
Happy retirement, sir.
Wow! Napindi ninyo ang introduction. Wala mo nag-inform na may pakulot-kulot na ano na ang grade 7 o grade 8. O palakpakan po natin ang grade 9 and grade 10. Wow, wow, wow! Simply spectacular. To follow that up, we invite also the spectacular runner of our school, Mr. Renrich Brian B. Salvacion, for his message. A round of applause, please. Galing pa po siya ng 40-kilometer run.
Ano ako nagsimula, hindi ako basahin nila ang palakpak. Palakpak yun. Sir Aaron, good afternoon to the Faculty of Dan Padilla National High School, to the family and friends of Sir Aaron, ngayong hapon sa tanan. Actually, first time na ko ni mag-talk na retirement party. Usually, ginahatag ni nga moment sa mga di na ko ingon ng word, pero sa mga, ano, sa mga tigulang. So, baguhan ko ay, karon lang ko naka-retirement message sa random lang kayo ito siya office na mumusta ko saya kay na siya gi-process. Sir, nasa GSIS, ano ko, Sir, kasi yung party siya nga, hapit na, mag-message ka ha. Ako, sige! Wonder ko nga, parang guro dili ko malit. Usually, pag mga ani, maabot ko dinner time na, Sir Aram, parang dili ko malit. Correct. Anyways, sorry. I only had a few memories with Sir Aram. Kinaradyo ko sa office. Siguro nagka-work na sa SBM. SBM Sisters, sige siya pangutalala dati sa mga accomplishments namin sa school. Kasi siya ang masaya na. And mo na akong mga memory kay Sir Aram. And also, as I try to recall sa among pinaka-meaningful moment together sa school, na-remember ko itong one morning. I think it's the day after my birthday or a week after my birthday. And dili ko feeling well ato. Murag, di ko sure if nasakit or hangover. Randomly, knock siya sa door. Ano niya? Namumusta siya na good morning. Good morning, sir. Tapos hindi ko na siya kalit ay nga, mag-pray ta. Ako, mag-pray? Siya, i-pray ka. Sir, ma-remember di mo na, sir? Siya, tindog. Ano ko mo tindog? Makulbaan ko. Mani-anak siya. Hala. Pag anak, buya kay murag higher level of worship na binasa ko kay ako mo dugo na dyan buya ko. And at that exact moment, murag nakita na dyan na ako dito ang gift ni Sir Aram sa iyang pag-preach, sa pag-use sa word ni God, and na-touch ko. It was a meaningful moment. It was very spiritual. It was very ecclesiastical, magical. Although it was not really that life-changing, pero sukad ato marag napaduol ko sa Ginoo. Siya, wala ko kainom, charis. Siguro mo na ako ginag-try og share karon because that ginalid na ko akong message today as to the new life of Sir Aram now as a pastor. I know na long before pa siya naging pastor, ginalive na niya ang pagka-pastor sa kanyang sarili. And I hope and pray na you continue to preach the word of God, to serve the Lord. And I pray for good health to you and your family, Sir Aram. And to have a meaningful life after that end. Yes. And maulang to, thank you so much for listening. Maayong hapon sa tanan.
Thank you, Oga Brian. O, di ba? Natin siya yung atong experience. As we continue to honor Sir Aram, let's see the senior high energy. Where's the senior high? Please welcome the grade 11 and 12 teachers for their intermission number. Kung ganina na ipakulot-kulot, karon ang butong sa naang sunod.
Ipa-straight na ni Ma'am Janice. Ang ilahang lead singer si Ma'am Annalyn Ikaw. Ano na, Ma'am?
Mayong hapon sa tanan. On behalf of the grade 11 and grade 12 senior high school teachers and advisors, our message, our song is entitled Father and Son. Nga naman, because si Uncle Toto, Uncle Aram is just a father for all. Kabalo dyan taan na. Papa kaayo siya, papa figure kaayo siya sa tanan. And sama sa gingon ni Ma'am Munshin ganina na tatay ni Ma'am Munshin si Uncle Toto kay papa gid ang iyang turing kay Uncle Toto. So our message is a good father doesn't raise children. He shapes character, builds confidence, and leaves a legacy that lasts far beyond the years. So those years na mo ang nakauban si Uncle Toto sa school, labaw na ako kay pagumangkon po ko niya. Isa po siya sa akong papa sa school, not only sa school but sa among pamilya. Gawa sa akong papa o sa kay papang Osyas nga ibiya na po sa Samua, and si uncle ang isa po sa among gituring ng papa. And all of us sa Glan Padido National High School. It's not time to make a change. Just sit down, take it slowly. Young and evolve. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. I once was like you are now. I know that it's not easy to become when you found something going on. Take your time, take a lot, think of everything you got. You'll still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may not. Oh, how hard to explain. It's when the dude turns away again. It's always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was older, so listen. Now there's months away, and I know that I had to go away. I know. I had to go. So, ang message nila is, sinsiyang totoo is, walang mirror siya sa mga kalalakihan. He is a mirror. Kapag na, I know I had to go. Hey, thank you so much everyone. Mayong hapon. Happy retirement ng call. No choice na tamo, go away na siya sa Glan Padido National High School.
Thank you, grade 11 and grade 12 teachers. Murag nalubong na gyud mo ang intermission number. Harmonies are wonderful indeed, but wisdom is what stays. To provide us with some pearls of wisdom today, we are honored to have Dr. Roy D. Tribunalo for an inspirational message. A round of applause, please.
May hapon sa tanan. Mga lipay magpumakita o mga smiling faces. That starts the good communication if we learn also how to wear our smile. Na ay good communication, connection, and relationship if we start with a smile. So start with a smile. Ayan. Kahit wala na ang ipon, smile ni hapon. Smile ni hapon. To Sir Aram, my partner, and to the family, and to everyone present, I am hapon sa tanan. I am fond of sharing morning quotations every morning. And I also accelerated my way of communicating my inspirational message to everyone whom I have my circle of influence. Recently, I used my name, Roy, the acronym of Roy, to start my morning messages to my colleagues, to my friends. To Sir Aram, Roy, R-O-Y, reward yourself for coming this far. Reward yourself for your age today. Reward yourself for the millions of pesos you have received. Reward yourself for coming up with a community somewhere in my barangay, San Vicente. Reward yourself for the gift of God to influence and to preach also the words of God to your community. Reward yourself for your legacy in Glan Padido National High School. Reward yourself for being the father of your children. Reward yourself for being the husband of Ate Joanne. Reward yourself for being the son of God. There's a lot of things that we are grateful for. As I have known, dili lang yun kay ko kabalo sa mga Bible verse. Count your blessings and name them one by one. That is something that we are grateful for. Kung naaman tayo mga butang na dili na ito nauyunan nga nahitabo, we are looking forward na mas manaig ang pagiging grateful nato sa mga blessings na ato ang na-receive. Rather than clinging dito sa mga butang na dili man pud maka-help sa ato at to move forward. That's for the R. Roy. O. Observe yourself, Sir Aram. Observe this community. How this community celebrate your success. Celebrate your legacy. Observe how you have influenced us. Observe how God used you to be His instrument to help the people around you. Observe how you are blessed. Observe how the people also treated you like who you are and what you have. And all the resources that you have, observe all of the resources you have, makita nimo that majority of those resources, as I have observed, you have been sharing that one to other people. And that is why, blessed kayo ka. Observe your health today. Nag-istoryahan na yung ni Ma'am Marilyn ganina dito sa science laboratory. Si Sir Aram, pilay na-receive, ingon ani nga amount. Ikod White and Ping more than the amount na na-receive ni Sir Aram, ang inyong ma-receive when you retire. Ang question is, makaabot pa kaya ni Ana na edad? Kaya, grateful ta nga nakaabot si Sir Aram. Na-observe nato na ang iyang health, okay, na may maintenance, Sir Aram. Na may maintenance. I-observe natin, Sir Aram, na ako'y limitation ang ato allowance. The mere fact that we wanted to be of service to others, but there are also limitations. There are limitations as to our physical capabilities. And you have to observe your body. You have to observe your condition. If, ang sabi man siguro ng Ginoo, dili kayo ka-memorize ng verses, kung kapoy ta, makatuon ko ta magpahulay. No? Kung kapoy ta, makatuon na magpahulay. I-count man siguro ang how frequent we have been a service to others rather than the resting time na ato ang gina-avail kay dili na ta-serve sa uban because nakapoy na ta. Ina-avail time na yun. That's for the O, and a lot of O Now, proceeding to the R-O-Y, why yield in your remaining years to be the person that we looked up to. More than, kasi wala naman kang pareho sa amo nga may duty good na 8 to 5. More sa imong time siguro makitaan nga kanang naaka sa service. Kaya ang makitaan man gud nako pagka nag-retire ang tao, active kayo sa church. Even tong mga, sorry sa term, mga marites kaya nga nailhan mo sa una. Kung retire kaya na-transform sila. Ma-transform sila. And siguro that comes with wisdom. That comes with God touches their lives. That comes with maturity in terms of dealing ourselves and preparing ourselves to face God very soon. Yield to be of service to others more pag yun, Sir Aram, more. Gipakita mo gudi Sir Aram sa ko ang picture sa young church nga gi-establish sa Bayog. Naalala ko sa Bayog. Nakita na ko ang picture na proud kaayo siya. Naami ingon ani nga natindog. Sir Boss, kay Sir Boss na yun. Naami, kopyahon ako yung inistorya. Sir Boss, naami ingon ani nga natindog kasi ba? Asa man ka nang wag budget? Matinabahan mo kaayo ang kuan Sir Boss, ang amo ang katawan. Maayo kay mo share sa ilang blessing Sir Boss. Ana gid ang istorya ni Sir Aram. Kanang makahappy na maskin walay MOOE, makapatindog sa building. Kami sa eskwelahan, na nami MOOE, isud pa yun kaayo magtindog o building. Isud kaayo mag-gym, isud kaayo itindog ang gym. Mahinaot ko nga ang nadawat ni Sir Aram nga, joke lang. Ipatindog niya gym sa eskwelahan. Joke lang na Sir Aram. Joke lang na Sir Aram. Yield bitaw, seryoso ba yan siya nga program, no? Maningkamot ba ako nga dili mo kuan. Mulikoy gamay. Mulikoy gamay. Kaya si Sir Aram kabalo na sa akong personality. Sir Aram was and still my spiritual advisor. May mga leadership crisis yun ko pagsulod na kong GP and HS. Knowing na, aminado man ko, 3 years lang ko sa San Vicente National High School. And when I entered GP and HS, medyo hilaw pa yun ko. And may mga crisis, and kabalo na si Madam Marilyn and Sir Ara. May mga crisis ko in terms of decision making. And like Kuya Bray, gina-pray over ko to ni Sir Ara. And I learned to not depend on myself. I learned to let God guide me in terms of leading and making decisions for our school, Lan Palilo National High School. COVID-19 time, na-challenge good put me with Sir Ara, known man gid na that we also had our there was a challenge, no? During the COVID-19 pandemic when Sir Aram was also infected with the virus. And with me is my wife, and we went with Sir Aram. Ihatod na po siya sa hospital. Though kabalo mi nga siya kanang delikado pud na sabay ka sa may COVID ato nga time. But ingon na mo bahala na si God, but we will try. So nag-quarantine po ko, gitusok-tusok po to akong ilong. Wala man po, and nakasurvive man po, siguro gipray po ni Sir Aram para po maka-help ako sa iya while he was in the hospital. Grabe po to ang test of relationship and love, no? Kaya nagaingon ko nga, yield pa yun Sir Aram to become a more, maybe multiply your kind pag yun. na maging service pa yun ta sa others. With your millions of pesos, Sir Aram, congratulations on your retirement. Naisip na ganina, while na ako dito kayo na ako'y nang sakit akong tiyan, sorry Sir Aram, wala ti kay gigawa sa kay sakit kayo akong tiyan, ang mura ko gusto mo magpamit. Pero i-try lang sa hatod nga nag-burp ko, kaya nagawas ko later part na. Congratulations Sir Aram on your retirement. Kato kong giingon with your millions of pesos, spend it wisely. Do not build a gymnasium at Plantadito National High School. Use that resource to prepare your health also. And of course, more time with Ate Joanne and your children. And ang footprints magudi Sir Aram na ginagamit nako because I am a doctor in human resource management. Ang ako amang kong ginagamit permanente nga motivational, inspirational situation. Kana bitawng 3 years na leave si Sir Aram, terminal leave for 3 years with pay. Kaya mag 3 years, kaning katong past 3 years, nag-leave siya with pay. Kay naka-accumulate siya of more than 300? 466 service credits. Kaya na-avail niya ang 3 years with pay nga may iba-ibang pinagagawa sa buhay with pay. Muna akong ginagamit sa mga kaubalan mo sa Plantadito National High School na continue to serve during election time, mga brigada, and Tuesday, katong na ay RFOT, within ang Josie, no? May RFOT ang Ninong Balong. May RFOT na we require our teachers and of course, we can avail to apply for a service credit and a CTO for us non-teaching personnel. So, katong nga footprints, makota kong gusto nga pang-end ng Sir Aram. Katong nga footprints, may that footprint be the inspiration of everyone. Especially this mga new bees namin sa Plantadito National High School. Kay para maabil na kung anay 5 years, makakuha ka 5 years terminal leave with pay, better. Makapahulay ka. Better para makapahulay. Tanaw Sir Aram, pag ako ingon ana na iyang naon. Karon ingon ana lang gihapon ang iyang naon. Bago lang ang iyang long sleeves. Wala ko na nakita. Ug ang iyang kanang anak niya, wala ko na nakita ang gisulod katong naa kami nagkauban. So let us be inspired with the footprint and the legacy of Sir Aram. And we look forward also that our health condition at the age of 65 will also the same with the health condition of Sir. Mao man ginatong ginapangarap. Right now, naanak ko sa 44 years old. Ang ako lang ginapangarap, yun, wala kami anak ng misis. Ako lang ginaingon, mag-save ko kwarta, I will not buy real property. Mag-save ko kwarta to prepare my retirement. Para dili ko mangayo sa mga DSWD, mga 4Ps, mga ghost project. Dili ko mangayo dito para sa ako ang kaugaling. Mag-save ko kwarta para po sa akong kugay. Kaya wala na yung mutabang sa ako ang time, kaya I am not in the position. Kung wala na ako sa posisyon, kabalo naging ko goodbye na ang tanan. Aware ng taana. So we have to prepare ourselves like how Sir Aram also prepared himself for his retirement in the government service. Congratulations Sir Aram. We love you, we miss you, and continue to be the blessing of God to others. Good afternoon.
Thank you, Doc Roy Tribunalo. Those words of inspiration are the perfect fuel for Sir Aram as he begins this new journey. Before we move to the next part of our program, we have one more group of performers who work tirelessly behind the scenes. Help me welcome our non-teaching and non-advisory teachers for the newly created dance move.